I need to show you this chart immediately because it is actually insane. We are breaking down this specific stock called 3-3 defense. Just look at these candles, dude. Seriously, look. Back in December, this ticker was chilling under $100, totally under the radar. Then boom, out of nowhere, it rockets straight to nearly $1,000. That's $1,000, bro. For a random stock, nobody even knew about this weeks prior. I am not gonna lie, seeing a vertical move like that gives me chills every time. Because let's be real, price action like that almost never happens for a fundamental reason. And yeah, right on cue, entire thing just started falling apart. It collapsed from nearly $1,000 all the way down to under the $40. That is not just a dip, it's a total nosedive. And that speed was terrifying. But wait, here's where the story gets spicy again. Today, out of nowhere, this stock is surging almost 50% in a single session. We are talking a jump from $24 to $35.95 in a blink of an eye. And the volume today is massive, with over 4.5 million shares changing hands. So naturally, everyone is asking the same thing. Is this a reversal or just another trap? And honestly, providing that answer is exactly why I am making this video right now. Because I have been tracking volatile plays like this for a long time. And I have realized that spike and crash charts always tell us a very specific story. That is, if you actually know what indicators to look for. So check it. When a stock moves from double digits to 1,000 that fast, it is hype, not value. It is usually some random news or promo or just retail frenzy, plain and simple. And once that hype engine runs out of gas, the price crashes back to reality. Which is precisely the cycle we just witnessed with the 3-3 defense. But now, boom, we are seeing this fresh spike in volume and price again. And honestly, a moment like this usually goes one of the two ways. Either some smart money is stepping back in because they see a real bottom, or this is just a final dead cat bounce before it dumps even lower. Now look, I'm not here to tell you how to spend your money, that's your call, but what I can do is help you actually decode what's happening on these charts. Because let's be honest, most people just see red and green bars and have no clue. And psychological story behind these candles is literally everything in trading, not gonna lie. This channel is dedicated to break that stuff down so it finally makes sense. No boring jargon, no corporate fluff, just straight talk about what's moving and why. If this breakdown helped you even a little bit, that is the whole reason I post this. I want you to actually master the market, not just watch the numbers move up and down. So if you're into this style of analysis, do me a huge solid and hit subscribe. It generally helps the channel grow, and trust me, I have way more crazy stocks to cover. Alright, that is it for this one. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, peace.